Regular civilian trimarans are well known, but the military also uses these incredibly effective boats. Sea Hunter, a military trimaran, is dedicated to submarine hunting. It functions on its own, leaving port for several months to complete its missions before making its own way back from the open sea. It can safely communicate with nearby vessels while on a mission. Equipped with radar and optical sensors, the trimaran can autonomously steer clear of obstacles and other boats. Although a person can steer the trimaran if necessary, their primary role is to supervise its actions. With 2 engines powering its twin propellers, the Sea Hunter, which is about 131 feet long, can hunt submarines at up to 31 miles per hour. It is equipped with a substantial 40 tons of diesel fuel to last through long autonomous journeys. Though the trimaran is still an experimental model, the Sea Hunter may eventually offer a revolutionary countermeasure against submarines. Furthermore, it is significantly more affordable, costing only 10% of what its equivalents do. An extraordinarily valuable and uncommon item is usually referred to as an artifact. For this reason, the designers of this opulent yacht chose a name that perfectly describes their creation. This artifact demonstrates why it is considered a valuable water vessel. And this isn't just because of its unknown but probably high price. Its unique construction, cutting-edge technology, and design are what give it its value. Its design aims to be that of a cutting-edge, modern super yacht rather than a conspicuous declaration of luxury. The multi-level design of the yacht is a fresh creative twist on the classic luxury yacht layout. Essentially, the yacht's design is simple and effective. It doesn't have any overly extravagant or ostentatious features. The 262-foot boat's design is an intriguing blend of creativity and ingenuity. One noteworthy decision was to use lightweight fiberglass for the superstructure rather than the more common aluminum in order to balance the approximately 58 tons of windows. The hybrid engine powering the boat's cutting-edge technology combines a set of lithium-ion batteries with 4 generators. With this configuration, the vessel uses 30% less fuel than others of a similar size. It also has a DC electric grid, gearless propulsion, and a dynamic positioning system that enables it to stop without the need for an anchor. Of course, there are solar panels as well. They occupy 248 square feet of the ship. This yacht is unique because of its non-traditional hull, which deviates from the conventional symmetrical design found in most yachts. This unique feature greatly improves the boat's stability on the water when compared to standard models, so it's not just about style. The Asean Lady demonstrated her stability in 2014 by withstanding a powerful tsunami while berthed off Phuket Island. Not only is the Asean Lady unique in terms of appearance, but it also has strength. Despite stretching a staggering 288 feet, its 2,000 horsepower engine allows it to reach speeds of up to 17 miles per hour. Additionally, there is a thruster on board to add another 8 miles per hour if necessary, for a total power boost of 600 horsepower. The Asean Lady's interior is incredibly gorgeous and provides both comfort and luxury. There are many large windows that provide wonderful views of the surroundings. 8 spacious, fully equipped cabins can accommodate up to 18 guests. The 1,700 square foot master suite, with its own office space and balcony, is the most notable feature inside. Imagine that you are strolling along the shore when you notice a boat moving silently beside you. This amphibious vehicle is not just any boat, it's an Iguana Pro. And here's the thing, it's not just excellent at moving on land and in water, it has more to offer safer than first glance. The boat is notable because the manufacturer set out to create the fastest amphibious boat ever, and they succeeded in doing so by producing a vessel with a powerful engine that can reach speeds of up to 63 miles per hour. The manufacturers plan to add two 450 horsepower outboard motors to further improve it. The boat's primary characteristic is its land-based mobility. It moves on land using robust rubber tracks reinforced with Kevlar, even though its speed on land is far slower than its speed in the water. Sturdy hydraulic struts that can retract are used to secure these tracks to the hull. When the tracks are submerged, the tracks remain hidden to reduce unnecessary drag. The tracks can travel through sand, mud, and rocks on solid ground without losing stability. They can even tilt up to 40 degrees without toppling over. The original idea was to build an amphibious boat that could quickly transition into the water and wouldn't require towing to the garage, even though it couldn't travel across land at the speed of a sports car. What does genuine insanity entail? It's the knowledge that we'll have super yachts with amazing features like these someday. It may seem strange to imagine a yacht sailing on land and moving like a crab, but that is exactly what the Lazzarini design studio did. The Pagurus can reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour thanks to retractable rotating cylinders that lower about 24 inches when they come into contact with solid ground. Furthermore, picturing a crane platform in the middle of a yacht is quite difficult. This platform makes it simple to load and unload items. For instance, you could dock a Tesla pickup truck on it so that you can simply get in and go whenever you want once the yacht is on land. The Lazzarini boat is propelled by two 890 horsepower engines each. This enables the Pagurus to travel across water at up to 27 miles per hour. It will be powered on land by four 440 horsepower diesel engines. The widespread popularity of solar panels in the modern era is not surprising. The manufacturer intends to affix them to the vessel's upper surfaces on every surface. With the energy these panels provide, 6 or 7 hours of low-speed electric-only travel time can be achieved using 6 or 7 batteries. What do you get when you combine a Lamborghini with the opulence of the priciest hotel room? An extraordinarily striking vessel. The exterior is a blend of elegance, luxury, and toughness. To put it simply, it's an amazing sight that brings to mind the sleekness of luxury sports cars. It's equally amazing how well the design works with the boat's construction. The Hanstaiger X1's construction, which includes a fully glass superstructure, is a combination of foam, carbon fiber, and glass. It uses a lifting centerboard instead of a full-fledged keel, unlike traditional boats. It also has an ingenious gyroscopic system similar to airplane flaps that reduces rocking on the water. In addition, the layout of the boat puts all the controls close to the cockpit, so there's no need to go to the bow. In addition, all systems are powered electronically for ease of use. The interior of the boat is incredibly luxurious. A large and opulent 750 square foot salon with a 10-foot ceiling fosters this feeling. With its sophisticated layout, Italian dining set, and high-quality furniture, the kitchen has the aesthetic appeal of a contemporary city. The transom, which fully opens to reveal a roomy 320 square foot platform ideal for leisure, is a noteworthy feature. It appears that eventually people got bored with the typical hydrofoil boats and decided to try something new, like adapting them to an airplane. The seaplane boat is essentially two boats in one, a motorboat with an engine that can reach speeds of up to 57 miles per hour, and a sailboat with a breathtaking 46 miles per hour of sailing speed. A seaplane makes for a comfortable and windy ride for 2 persons. The 30-minute experience allows the passenger and pilot to experience a range of emotions as they take off from the trailer and land on the water. The ultimate goal of the designers was to break world speed records by creating a new version of the boat, not just to reach the stated speed. It is anticipated to reach speeds of about 69 miles per hour, which would allow it to break the current record and increase the excitement of the water ride. There's a twist. The boat's name was most likely inspired by a bird. There is some mystery surrounding the naming of this boat because a hydrofoil boat of the same name was launched back in 1963. Is that a boat trying to take off, or is that an airplane touching down in the water? It's neither. It's not meant to fly through the skies, but to glide across the surface of the water. The Seaglider's air cushion increases its efficiency, allowing it to glide over water. Although not particularly novel, the manufacturer has made some adjustments to make their ship more sophisticated than others. To start with, because it is entirely electric and emits no emissions into the atmosphere, the Seaglider is an excellent option for individuals who favor environmentally friendly modes of transportation. Additionally, because of its underwater wings, the Regent Seaglider has a more comfortable and effective launch phase than other similar vessels. By lifting the ship at 20 to 45 miles per hour, these wings significantly lessen drag. The automatic retractable wings allow for reduced hull movement and more economical energy use once the aircraft reaches the target speed. With the ability to travel up to 186 miles at a speed of 186 miles per hour without emitting any harmful emissions, this vessel can accommodate 14 passengers. Jaume's catamarans are typically thought of as small boats intended for leisurely excursions near the coast. However, there are some exceptions, such as the Jaume catamarans, who in no way conform to this stereotype. They measure roughly 266 feet in length and 85 feet in width. They are intended to be catamarans, which are basically 2 large hulls joined together. Each hull is composed of 8 waterproof sealed sections. Despite their enormous size, they are able to reach fairly high speeds because of the powerful engines in this setup. They can reach a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour while maintaining a constant cruising speed of about 43 miles per hour. At this speed, these enormous catamarans can carry up to 655 passengers and 144 items, which makes them ideal for tourism. This extremely luxurious yacht is not available to everyone. It is a privilege shared by a select few. The yacht isn't truly made of gold, despite the elegant design and shimmering gold exterior, which give off an air of luxury. Rather, it features a state-of-the-art build with lightweight carbon composite materials. This decision guarantees that it will always be quick, agile, and fuel efficient, in addition to giving it an opulent appearance. The Khalilah has an equally opulent interior as its exterior. In the Master Suite, VIP Suite, or one of the 2 double cabins, it can accommodate up to 11 people. In addition, passengers will have full access to all the facilities for an exciting and luxurious experience. Whether relaxing by the pool or indulging in the deck jacuzzi, there is much to do. This luxurious 160-foot floating palace can cruise at a constant 22 miles per hour and reach a top speed of roughly 27 miles per hour, thanks to its pair 2,600 horsepower engines.